Parental involvement. Parental involvement plays a crucial role in a child's academic and personal development. When parents actively participate in their child's education by helping with homework, attending school activities, and communicating with teachers, students tend to perform better academically and develop positive attitudes toward learning. Parenting style and child rearing. Parenting styles authoritative, authoritarian, permissive, and neglectful deeply affect a child's learning and behavior. Authoritative parents who are both responsive and demanding tend to raise confident, independent, and academically successful children. Provisions for specific experiences at home. The home environment is a child's first learning space. Homes that provide rich learning experiences such as reading materials, educational games, access to technology, and meaningful conversations encourage curiosity and critical thinking. Peer influence. Peers greatly shape social behavior, attitudes, and academic motivation. During childhood and adolescence, students often look to friends for acceptance and belonging. Teachers. Teachers are central figures in shaping students' intellectual and emotional growth. A supportive, understanding, and motivating teacher can inspire students to reach their full potential. Reflection. Learning is not just an individual process. It is deeply influenced by the people and environment surrounding a learner. This research made me realize that education is a shared responsibility among families, peers, and teachers. As a student or future educator, I've learned that fostering positive relationships and providing meaningful experiences are just as important as academic instruction in achieving true learning and development.